Yo, what's up with it? It's your boy No Justice coming right back at you. I told y'all I was going to keep dropping jewels on y'all, bringing y'all this heat day after day, hour after hour, session after session. You know what I'm talking about? So I just want everybody to know that's out there subscribing to my channel on YouTube. One love. Appreciate the support. Keep tuning in. Every week, every day, I'm going to try to drop a new jewel on y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to just grab a beat and just spaz on it and let y'all see what type of flavor and what type of swag that I got. You know what I'm talking about? So right now, what I'm finna do, I'm finna drop this little track for y'all. And I'm going to go on and snap on it real quick. And I'm going to jump back out. And I'm going to jump back in like double dutch because that's what I do. So ride with your boy. Again, let everybody know. Go to YouTube. Type in No Justice Freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Click on to the video. Subscribe to my channel. Show some love. Leave a comment. And keep it all the way 100. If you digging it, that's what it is. If you ain't, that's what it is. I'm going to keep pushing at the end of the day. So ride with your boy. I'm going to turn this track on. I'm going to spaz out for a minute. You dig? Check me out. Nigga, I gets it in. Hustle all night for the door, stack ends. I keep white, keep loud, keep pills, my nigga. Yep, I gets it in. Post up in the Vaco and watch the money flip. Stupid wrist game, how I make the water whip. Started with the 3, now I'm working with the 6. Default in the trenches, they be seals with the clip. 40 on the waist. If a nigga wanna hate, knock a plug out your face, no games. I'm all about the money, stacking rack after rack after rack, no change. Stay full of gas, blowing loud, nigga. Pockets on swole like wild, nigga. Cups full of white like a cloud, nigga. Stepping out of line and get piled, nigga. Overtime with the grind, I'ma shine. I ain't never been a broke nigga. I started straight from the bottom out the mudwood, just a little coke, nigga.
Fuck boys,
Mo, I gets it in. Switching lanes in the Range or a Chevy or a Jag or a motherfucking Benz. Plenty stacks on deck, catch wreck if a hater wanna flex on me. 24/7, I'ma hustle raw, nigga, yeah, and stack this cheese. Nigga, I gets it in. I gets it in. Nigga, I gets it in. I gets it in. Rain, hail, sleet, or snow. I gets it in. Trap 24/7, nigga, for the dough. I gets it in. You can catch me in the kitchen with them grams on the scale. House full of J's, $1 million clientele. Money in the safe case a nigga need bail. Stretching like a chemist, yeah, I cook it real well. I don't even sleep cause your boy gotta eat. Super focused on the dough, that's right. Keep a different whip every single week with the cannon tucked close inside. Reppin' for the South, my nigga, all day. 100 round drum on the bottom of the K. Let them all loose, bitch, nigga, don't play. Chopper bullets ripping through your body for my cake. Yep, I get it in for them Benz and the Franks. Diamonds all clear like a new fish tank. Kill 'em with the flow, Tupac time Drake. Brand new watch with the iced out face. Handle my business and fucking these hoes. Stay in the mall, popping tags on these clothes. Back in the block, moving bundles of blow. This is the shit that you niggas should know. Mo, I gets it in. I gets it in. Switching lanes in the Range or a Chevy or a Jag or a motherfucking Benz. Plenty stacks on deck, catch wreck if a hater wanna flex on me. 24/7, I'ma hustle raw, nigga, yeah, and stack this cheese. Nigga, I gets it in. I gets it in. Nigga, I gets it in. I gets it in. Rain, hail, sleet, or snow. I gets it in. Trap 24/7, nigga, for the dough. I gets it in. Yeah.